The video is about the top 5 best embroidery machines in 2022. These machines are some of the most advanced and user-friendly on the market today. They can create stunningly intricate designs, and are perfect for anyone who wants to start embroidering. If you're looking for a machine that will make your stitching easier, these are the ones for you. Links have been included in the description. Come on, let's get started. At number 1 is Brother PE535 Embroidery Machine. Do you like embroidery of all kinds due to your love of visuals and the fact that you've always been a very visual learner? Our strong feeling is that you will appreciate the impressive graphics of this computerized and well-lit embroidery sewing machine from Brother. This particular model even has illustrated buttons and controls, making it intuitive and easy to operate. There is also a variety of built-in options available with this machine, which adds to its beauty. In addition to offering over 80 pre-programmed embroidery designs, the machine can also automatically stitch your customized words or short phrases in 9 different pre-programmed fonts. Furthermore, the machine's computer feature has a USB port through which you can load completely custom and independent designs. Before you begin embroidery, you can even use the touch screen to get the design laid out exactly how you want it. At number 2 is Brother SE600 Computerized Machine. Were you thinking about using a single machine for both sewing and embroidery projects at once, meaning you'd need a larger range of regular functions than you've seen before? This second alternative from Brother might be the kind of combination option you've been looking for. The difference between this screen and the other is that it has a large, well-lit touch screen with all kinds of customization options. This computerized embroidery machine features USB syncing for independent designs, as well as 80 automatic embroidery designs built right in. However, unlike the others, this machine also features a wider variety of regular sewing stitches. The 103 built-in sewing stitches range from very practical to slightly more decorative, and that's before you even begin designing embroidery. While the framed embroidery field on this machine is slightly smaller than some you'll see, 4x4 is still quite standard for portable home embroidery machines. At number 3 is Brother CS6000i Computerized Sewing and Quilting Machine. Are you also a material-based handiworker who enjoys quilting in addition to embroidery? There's a Brother sewing machine designed specifically to combine those types of hobbies in one place so you can create the ultimate sewing projects. It features customizable embroidery design capabilities, a variety of practical and decorative stitches that are ideal for quilting of the highest quality, and even a detachable table extender so that you can work on a larger work surface without making the machine inoperable. Despite not being a fully color screen computer model, this machine, which can sew 850 stitches per minute, is rich in automatic programming. There are a number of basic image and font-based embroidery designs, 60 built-in stitches, and even 7 different kinds of automatic buttonholes for garment making. The threading system is also convenient and automatic. At number 4 is Singer Legacy SE300 Portable Sewing and Embroidery Machine. Would you consider investing in an automatic embroidery machine that can help you make stunning stitched patterns in a much shorter amount of time than you could do by hand? Do you also happen to be a DIY enthusiast who must move and clear away their crafting and handiwork supplies between projects because you don't yet have the luxury of having a sewing space set up permanently at home? This slightly less bulky and more portable automated embroidery machine offered by Singer might be more convenient to use. Despite being smaller and more portable, this embroidery machine is still equipped with the same high-quality features as most of the other embroidery machines we've seen. It has adjustable tension, stitch length, and speed, as well as an automatic threader, all of which make it a great sewing machine in its own right, but its embroidery-specific features really make it stand out. The screen might not be in color, but it's well visible and intuitively laid out, offering over 250 embroidery and decorative stitches that you can alter and customize to varying degrees. The embroidery field size on this machine is also more flexible than on some models. To determine the size of your embroidered design, simply change the settings on the screen and snap different size durable plastic frames on and off the base. At number 5 is Brother PE800 5x7 Embroidery Machine. Have you been considering getting an embroidery machine that's well equipped and highly capable, but you've found a few of the designs you've seen so far to be a bit overwhelming in terms of their sheer number of features? Perhaps you'd prefer a version of those models that's just as intuitive and user-friendly, but without some of the flouncier features that you're not certain you'll need. There's still hope for you with Brother. Besides the ability to import custom designs and make slight on-screen adjustments, this machine offers 138 built-in and automatic designs ranging from scrollwork to basic quilting to slightly more intricate florals. There are also 11 built-in fronts. These fonts are designed to be extra accessible in their selection process rather than feeling like more bells and whistles you'll have to learn. Additionally, this machine offers a slightly larger embroidery field than average, allowing you to get creative right away. So that sums today's video. We hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give the video a thumbs up. Also, if you're new here, be sure to click the subscribe button. Have a wonderful day till the next video.